Greetings from Elkhart, Indiana. I'm Niles Whitehouse with Winnebago. Here to wrap up the open house event we've been having this week and show you some of the things we've been featuring on YouTube and Facebook, and appreciate you watching. If you have been, if you haven't, you need to tune in and then check it out. Over here on this side is the new Solis pop top on the Ram chassis. Provides extra sleeping up on top and has all kinds of features. You need to get out to your dealers and take a look at it. In February and March of next year is when it'll be hitting dealers' lots. On this side, we have the Bolt concept vehicle. Look for this unit at the Overland East Expo coming up. It is a concept vehicle that can be, you can outfit, do that kind of thing on your own. It's also the quietest van on the market. Take a look inside here. It's beautiful. Techniform cabinets, all kinds of storage, lots of seating, all kinds of features. Look for this on your dealer's lots now. The Bolt is out there. Revel. I think everyone's familiar with the Revel. This is the new color for us, gunmetal blue. Beautiful. And then also, in the Class A gas package, we have behind me the new Vista Sunstar partial paint package that we're offering now that you can find on your dealer's lots today. And then we'll jump right to the Forza. The brand new exterior, beautiful blue, silver, gray package. Also featuring new driftwood interior. You can look for that on an individual video that's posted on Facebook and YouTube on the overall package of our new interiors we're featuring. A couple new colors in Travato. Got a polar white Travato here, featuring the walnut interior, which we'll see over here on the blue one. And then a royal blue Travato here behind me as well. Let's take a look inside at this walnut interior. It looks fantastic. Comes equipped with a screen, twin beds, tons of storage. And again, the Travato is available in multiple colors: white, blue, red, silver, granite, sandstone, all kinds of colors that we have available. Brand new View, redesigned View, one of the most popular coaches featuring the Sprinter chassis is here. And then behind that is the all-new full body paint Mini Winnie. First time ever, I believe, we've offered the Mini Winnie in full body paint. Here behind me on this side, as we come around, is the redesigned Spider fifth wheel from our towable team. And you can see the really cool screens there featuring the Winnebago name. So all that out there with the Winnebago name. And then coming up here is the new Voyage fifth wheel. Also features a travel trailer in its lineup. All new for Winnebago towables. Fantastic product. You can look for that arriving on dealers' lots here in the coming months. And then right behind me is the new Voyage travel trailer. You have to come out and take a look at that. It's fantastic. 24-foot travel trailer there, featuring huge bathroom with a barn door, large galley, deep stainless steel single bowl sink, residential refrigerator. It is a huge package for 24 feet. So thanks for watching throughout the week. Continue asking questions, sending them to us. We'll be happy to answer anything we can when we can. And if you haven't been watching, please do get to those other videos. Look forward to seeing you on a dealer's lot soon.